Hey everybody, it's the Scrub Guys, and we're here again with another Pyromaniac episode. Because for some reason we have nothing better to do with our time other than light everything that we own on fire. So,
like a laptop.
Like this, yes. If you'll observe, we have multiple decrepit remains of a laptop. And we're going to burn it. A lot.
We're going from biggest to, well, smallest to biggest, not including this, because if this gets lit, we're going to light this, by the way. If this gets lit, it more than likely will explode.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
That's our end goal.
So, get the heck out of the way. Ah! Look at that bird crap. Let's see what happens to the keyboard.
Not for any prolonged period anyway. Noise.
Look at them buttons, though.
Continue torching, I suppose.
I'm gonna go get a bottle of water. Not to drink, but... How's it looking, boys? Good job, Levi. Smart.
Well, I just put my hand in fire.
That actually looks kind of... The buttons are, like, weird.
It would melt all the way through if you let it go. Let's let that continue burning while we do other things. Alright, I'll keep my eye on it. Alright, next thing. Oh yeah, for those of you that are watching, the cameraman is currently Isaiah. I forgot your last name. Isaiah Nicholson.
Nickel. Wow, you tried.
Mickle.
You tried. You tried.
That's because you're with it. Anyway.
They didn't have to know that.
Okay, we'll burn
I got my first try, dude.
right in the smoke. Put it next to it. We'll burn those little bits.
Alright.
Let's see her go. Nice. Can always prime it more.
Nice. Okay, while this is going on, I will try to relight this.
Here, I'm gonna get the water, dump out that, scoot them all together. These aren't as interesting as the keyboard. Let that cool off.
Got it?
Great. Move it.
Sorry, before it goes out.
Do it. Oh, buddy. It's just spraying WD-40.
Yeah, I know. Burn over there. I'm just dragging the flame around.
Yep. Trying to at least.
Oh, okay.
Holy crap, look at it.
Yeah, there it goes.
Wow, that thing's not lasting too long.
Toasty.
Ugh. No way, it just completely melted through it. Try to get some more fire on the panel.
Yeah.
Strange.
That's not really very fun, is it?
No. I mean, I don't
There's
think
a reason for that.
Yeah, I don't think why you try and make it flammable.
Jeez, guys.
Unless it's a Note 7. If it's a Note 7, then it explodes automatically. The Galaxy.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
crap.
you have one of those?
Unfortunately not.
It wouldn't take much to get it
Hold on,
to blow out.
hold on, stop that. I want to show the screen.
Oh, buddy, that looks good.
Lovely.
Dude, look at the
Now,
screen
yeah,
just
it's
peel
melting
off.
now.
That looks cool.
Why do I feel like this is gonna like pop on this? It
Yeah,
sounds
don't
like
spray
it's gonna
anything
pop.
yet.
And then there's this one little lonely flame over here. Hold on, I'm gonna revive that little flame. Welcome back.
That looks cool. I think it'll work. Just try and turn it on.
Oh, without a doubt.
Okay, let's stop spraying that.
Well, next one. Let's torch more.
Okay, and just now the motherboard and then the battery.
Oh, nice. Please stay on. No! Woo!
Scoot these over. Okay. Yep. Oh, buddy.
That's a little warm.
Toasty.
Okay, save some for the battery, crap.
Dang.
Oh, put it up, put it up. It's got the tube on fire. Here, I'm actually gonna go get the other can of WD-40. Quit spraying that one. Dual? Okay, you only need one, you piece of crap.
You're gonna waste it all.
Yeah, save the one that has the lighter on
Ben,
it. What?
get the batter.
Oh, you're gonna throw it in?
The flame.
Uh-oh.
Wait, cover it in WD-40 a bit.
Do you want this actually explode?
It's very well might.
You mind?
Oh gosh,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
let's
back
back
up a
up a
little bit. Good luck. Dude, you better book it when
take
you.
that WD-40 away from here. We don't need all that.
You gotta just run when you throw it in.
Yeah, try to lead the...
That's what I'm trying.
Just kick it in, dude.
There you go.
Come on, bro.
Oh, buddy. That's hard plastic. It might take a while for it to actually dig in. No witnesses.
Okay, well, it's getting close.
Yeah, it might take a few moments.
I'll just sprinkle this down on it.
Can't even see anything. The fire's way too bright.
Are we bad if it exploded right now?
Will you blow it up, please?
The plastic's starting to melt. Oh god, when's it gonna hit the battery? No. Uh-oh.
We should have charged it first.
Oh yeah, it might be dead. Oh, the battery might be dead.
Oh, that really.
Wow. Yeah, we should have charged it. I never thought of that. Oh my goodness. Well.
That was a waste.
But on the other hand, it might not be dead, so...
Okay, wait, what do you mean?
It hasn't been used, but hasn't been charged, so... Yeah,
I think it's dead.
I think it's dead. It would have blown up by now.
Yeah, because I can see the battery.
You can?
Yeah, a little
I see the
bit.
blue, yeah.
Well... I guess that didn't work out as well as we hoped. Dang it.
Before people call.
Dude, I would have doubted. Crap, boy.
Well, the metal's definitely hot.
Stop, Levi.
Okay, so we lit it all on fire and we messed up. We were supposed to charge the battery, so that was our bad.
Look at this crap. Look, the buttons, when you try to press them, they just kind of incinerate. Oh, that smells bad, but that's satisfying. I'm trying to.
It does.
Oh gosh. My fingers again. Oh no.
Dude, what would happen if I dropped this thing?
Drop it.
Ooh, try it.
Oh,
Nothing.
dang.
Let's do a little bit more force.
You can chug it.
Okay, well, not really crunchy enough.
That was useful.
There.
No, dropping that. Yeah, I
Crap's
love
sakes,
the
dude.
screen.
Yeah. Rowdy. Rowdy burst.
Is all just crispy now?
Yeah.
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna slip and die on all this WD-40.
Let's try and drop
Do it.
Just do it!
And then it lights.
You watch it just blow up.
Dang it! None of these are like. Really
You could jump on that. That'd be cool.
I only weigh 130.
See if you actually even
Weak.
flip the screen.
Alright, Ben,
yeah,
hold
you
it,
did.
hold it. I'm gonna punt kick it.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, wait.
Not towards there.
Yeah,
How about you go
yeah,
somewhere
that
else?
way.
That way.
Alright, here we go. Charlie Brown effect.
Hit this, not my hand, please.
1, go. Drop it, please.
We're good.
I didn't think you were gonna actually do it. Oh, stop. 3, 2, 1. It slid!
Man, you guys are terrible.
No, did you hear my foot slide off it? Oh, you can see where my foot hit.
Yeah, I see. 3, 2, 1.
Why? Okay, okay. I'm gonna do this for you, Ben.
Wait, oh crap, look at that. That's kind of cool looking. It's like mirrors.
Alright, Ben, you ready? 3, 2, 1.